Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to claim those sexy DEGA rewards. So the Moose, of course, participated in the ISPO quite a while ago. So I have videos ranging over a year ago now talking about DEGA in the ISPO. So if you participated in that, you should be able to claim some rewards. So specifically, I'm going to be claiming rewards, and I'm also going to teach you how to bind an address. So if you do not have a wallet that works with NAMI, I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet. For example, something using a Yoroi, and then I'll show you how to claim those rewards. So if you were in the ISPO, and depending on your element NFTs and bonuses, you will have some rewards to claim. Okay, so right now the token is doing quite well, up quite a bit, I believe over 400% on the week, so that's nice. What you guys can do is go to DEGA.org. So you can go to CoinMarketCap, find the website, or just head over to the link tree. And what you will see is under NFTs, I have DEGA Realms Element NFT by here. You guys can click on that link and that will take you to this website. So from there, what you're going to do is connect your wallet. We're going to be using Cardano, but if you do have rewards for Ethereum, say you were in a different ISPO, you can check out, for example, your Polkadot ISPO and or Ethereum. So you can use similar steps to figure that out as well. But I'm going to focus more on Cardano because that's how I did it. So as you can see here, I've got a decent balance. I've already done this in the past, but I want to teach you the binding in a little bit. So here you can also pick up element NFTs. I think they look great. So if you're able to pick up some of those, definitely use the link I have provided. So here, all you're going to do is connect a NAMI wallet. I have a tutorial on the channel. If you don't know how, I teach you how to set up a NAMI. So make sure that you set collateral, that you have a good internet connection, and you have enough ADA to do this. So all you're going to do is connect your wallet, and then you are going to see your total claim rewards, and then you will claim. So you will sign a transaction, and in a little bit, we will see the balance get a little bit higher. So we'll go from roughly 1.4 mil to 1.5 mil in tokens in this particular wallet. So here we'll see that reflected in our wallet. Very nice. So again, just make sure to refresh your balance. It takes a little bit of time. For me, I noticed it right away within a minute. Okay. So very simple, connect your NAMI wallet and claim. So next what we're going to do is I have two other wallets. One's a hot wallet, and this one's going to say mom and dad. So I got my parents involved in the ISPO as well. I'm like, you guys got to get some ADA. Makes it all fun. So I try to get my entire family. My grandma even has some crypto. So here what we're going to do is we're going to go to our wallet. This could be a Giro wallet, any Cardano wallet. What you're going to do is paste in under the binding your stake address. So to find that, all you're going to do, and this is a visual representation of their wallet, is you are going to copy and paste the public address into Cardano Scan. Once you do that, you're going to see the controlled stake key. Copy paste that. In under address binding, you are going to paste that. Okay? So once you do that, what you're going to see once you hit confirm is you are going to see an address, and you're going to send one ADA to that address. By doing so, it will allow you to claim the rewards that were accumulated for that particular stake address. Okay. So what I did is I sent the one ADA from the wallet that I want to bind. Okay. So not my NAMI. I'm going to send it from the same wallet. So here I'm going into Yoroi and I'm sending one ADA. Okay. So once we do that, we should see some more tokens. So I'm going to make sure that I can document this and I can send the proper amount of DEGA to their wallet. If it's yours, it doesn't matter. You can just hold on to the tokens yourself. So what we're going to be able to do is claim it with our NAMI in a minute. So you want to have enough ADA. So here we're going to wait a little bit. Okay. And once we see that, things are going to be looking pretty good here. Okay. All right. So now we can see that we have 21,325 DEGA to claim. If we take a look under address binding, we can see that this stake address has now been verified. What we're going to do now is bind a second wallet. So what I'm going to do is go under Mitch Model T. So I'm not sure if I have any DEGA to claim here. So I believe I participated in the DEGA 1 ISPO with this wallet. So we're going to check regardless. So what we're going to do is copy and paste our stake address for the Trezor Model T. That is this wallet. And we're going to see if we have any extra rewards to claim. So with this one, I've got a hardware wallet connected. So I'm going to sign that transaction with my physical address. And then now we're going to send one Cardano to the address that they have listed right in front of us. So now I'm going to sign a transaction. We're going to send one ADA to the appropriate address. Now, hopefully, we will see that this wallet is verified and we will have more tokens to claim. All right, so now we have over 140,000 DEGA to claim. So I guess that wallet was in the DEGA 1 ISPO. I'm sure it's documented on YouTube. So we now have a significant amount to claim. So all we're going to do is go back to our NAMI, the wallet that's connected to the DEGA site, and we're going to claim these rewards. And that's about it. So guys, comment down below. Let me know how many DEGA that you've earned. Also, head over to the link tree. You guys can use code MOOSE. Save 10% off your Tangent wallet or ring today. And we also have online courses. So check that out. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. And let's get loose, guys. We'll see you in the next one. 50x incoming for DEGA. Cheers.